Tuning in for the next iteration of Jeffy Lube and Home Mechanic. We have a 2018 Chevy Silverado, as some people say, or Silverado. We're going to be replacing this wheel bearing today because it's making a lot of noise while driving and it has a lot of play in it. To start this job, you must remove the wheel, and that requires a 7/8 impact socket to remove the lug nuts. Next, you'll remove the brake caliper bolts located here and down here with a 6.19 millimeter. So once you get to this point, you will have to turn the wheel to get full lock. But as you can see, there's 3 15 millimeter bolts to be removed from the wheel hub. I recommend using PB Blaster and letting it soak for a little bit, but after that, it came right off. Next step is loosening up this axle nut. It calls for a 36, but I believe it's a little bit smaller than that. So get the big one out, use the impact, comes right off. So the old wheel bearing is completely off. It is recommended to go ahead and clean up all the mating surfaces with just a quick little wire brush, scrub it down, douse it in brake clean, and then put a little bit of grease before you put the new wheel bearing in hub assembly. Now I'm going to take my torque wrench, set to 133 foot-pounds, and we'll get it tightened up.